is.
There's a lovely place to grow up.
Pinky. Tidur. Mimi. Mimi. Penakut. Ini si Pinky juga lah nih paling suka nih. Tam-tam. Tam. Tam. Penakut.
Smell something, Ozzy?
Yes. Breakfast.
Pinky. Pinky.
Follow me.
Hidung Pinky itu mahal betul nih. Ih, masuk plastik.
Stop rolling those rocks down the hill. Huh? My nest is in
Tengok siapa
there.
mau datang.
Sorry.
Tengok siapa mau datang nih.
It wasn't much fun anyway.
Dia yang berani. Dia yang
What do you
berani.
want to do now?
I know. We can go to the shelter and grab.
Ih, Pinky Yun. Pinky. Hidung Pinky ikut bapak dia. Tengoklah tuh. Tengoklah Pinky nih.
How about Spike?
Pinky. Pinky. Sombong banget kucingnya. Tengok tuh.
Okay, Spike. Huh?
Please.
See? He don't mind.
Let's go. Yep. We are going
Yep,
to
yep.
the shelter and grab.
Wait, you guys.
Huh?
The sheltering grass is on the other side of the sinking sand. So?
Tidur.
My
Tiger.
grandparents don't want me going across the sinking sand now. That's right. Sinking sand dangerous.
Pinky.
Yes, it is.
You're just a bunch of ants.
I can cross.
Itu mahal betul.
Your eyes closed.
Pink juga hidung kau nih Pinky ya. Pinky. Pinky.
Try it.
Pinky. Ngulur tangan deh.
Yeah, I'm coming.
Hitam betul mata tuh Pinky. Tinggal nih Pinky.
The sinking sand. How are we gonna get across?
Pinky. Tinggal lah tuh ekor tuh.
Oh, no.
We can fly across.
Tinggal ekor tuh. Pinky.
No. We cannot fly.
Oh.
Poor Petrie. My dad just jumps from rock to rock.
Yeah, but your dad's got longer legs than us.
Deal. I can do it too.